Welcome to ProSoil Site Services, Inc. Our company is one of the industry-leading commercial and industrial fence installation companies, providing a multitude of site service work and landscape restorations based in Lansing and serving the entire Great Lakes region. Oil and gas pipeline companies, electric and gas utilities, local governments, as well as numerous other companies across many business sectors rely on us because of our customer satisfaction approach. This is at our very core. We employ a streamlined process from project estimate to project completion that includes close project oversight each step of the way. We deliver on what we promise, on time and on budget. All simple but critical elements to the overall success of any project. This is what we are known for. We offer diverse and comprehensive solutions relating to commercial and industrial, temporary and permanent fencing that includes rental and installation of driven post, chain link fence panels, and other short-term fencing solutions and much more. Our site services include hydro seeding and erosion control services, stream bank stabilization solutions, silt fence, erosion control solutions, and other oil and gas pipeline services. Installing automatic gates, turnstiles, barrier arms, and access entry to your sites is another service provided. ProSoil's access entry crews are also certified, trained technicians providing the best safety practices. Every project is completed by returning your property to its original form with our expert landscape restoration services. Select the Get Project Estimate option to start the process immediately.